Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. Well, today is the day. We're gonna run it, this Nikko Centipede, really rare remote control car. If you saw my preview, you know I bought this super rare model on eBay. There was some issues. I did fix it antenna because it was missing. I found it another one, modify it, make it works the way it should be. Then original battery. Here's the original battery. It's built with double A's nickel cadmium cells, and it's double A's cells, 4 of them. Pretty much I tried to recover it. It didn't recover very well. I have to assemble it my own battery pack. I was gonna show you right here. Similar style, same cells, amount, just nickel metal. Instead NiCaps, which has like 3 times more capacity. Like I said, the car is super rare. That's why I kind of excited to bring you this unique vintage rare RC car, because there's not many of them been sold back in early 90s, and it's as far as I know, it's been sold only for 1 year in 92 or 93. I may run on that. And this model was quite popular. Well, at least it was more popular in Europe. It's been sold as a Nikko Viper, Nikko Centipede, Super Belt Viper as well. And some people may confuse with Super Belt full size. Well, it was a 14 scale. This is a 18 scale. This is it's almost 40% smaller than a full size, which is a 14 scale, and it's using 9.6 volt battery, not 4.8. And like I said, I mean, I'm really excited. I able to find one in a really good condition with original truck steel, and no cracks, nothing. I mean, the previous owner did save this car, probably in an original box and somewhere in a basement or so, for, I mean, really good condition. Like I already mentioned a few times, this thing is a super rare. Why I'm saying that, and if you not believe me, you can just Google it, Nikko Centipede, and see how many pictures you will find. Not a lot. And if you check on YouTube, there's only 2 videos about this car, and both of them is mine. This particular one, like I said, I mean, it's quite rare, and I'm really excited. I did able to find it, same one as I used to have back in 90s. Yeah. Let's run it and see how fast it goes. Of course, it's not going to run as fast as a Fast Track or Nikko Super Belt. I mean, the full size one, which run it on 9.6 volt instead, like this one, 4.8. Right there. But it's really awesome to see almost 40 years old, well, it's 36 or something, vintage vehicle still running. Plus it's, like I said, it's a belt. I mean, it's got trucks, and those trucks made from rubber, they usually, by now, mostly original trucks will cracks and will not be usable. This one, it's really good condition. Pretty much remote. It's more simple than if you comparing to Fast Track. On Fast Track, both trucks, I mean, you can turn individually. This one, it's a forward, reverse, left, right, left. It's kind of paired together and works. It's designed to make it simple for younger kids back then. And it's kind of interesting concept why Nikko even come out with that little 18 scale the truck vehicle, because back then it was quite popular, super popular, Taiko Fast Track, and quite popular Nikko Super Belt. Yeah. But those cars was cost like around $80 to $100, or Super Fast Track, I believe it was a couple $100. It was outrageously expensive back then. Not many parents can afford spend that much money for a kid toy. And this little guy, Nikko decided, let's make it half size almost, and will be half expensive. And I believe it was back then, it's like $39 and $95 or so, pretty much half as much as a fast track. It's still, in my opinion, yes, it's not as fast as a fast track or some other ones, but it's really interesting, really impressive car, the way they design it. It has a rear suspension, it has two motors. It's almost similar design as a fast track, but slightly different. Fast track motors located in the front of the axle, this one located in the back. I always like this design more than anything else. Yeah. Well, guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable, and if you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.